Hey guys, today we are playing this one, Hurricane. This is a test game. Press to dive. Oh, did you hear that sound? What's that? Oh, we have no active alerts. Wait. Invited that guy. Oh, the National Weather Service is monitoring this event. What? A potential tropical cyclone is 902 miles away? That's too far. Maybe just seek shelter and then will they not? Oh, moving at 24 miles per hour in this direction from the shelf. Wait, what shelf? I don't know what direction is south. TG1 is prevented a tropical storm. Elijah? What? It's safe to go outside and there's clear weather, but you see stormy clouds. They look so scary at this day. What? 12:18 p.m.? What? Okay, fine. Wait, how did we go there? I see a TV that's right there. Oh no! They've been issued the hurricane watch. Wow. Later. Oh, 158 miles away. That's too far. Further. Wait, what north? Wait, where's the helicopter ice cream? Wait, where did I see it? Wait, is there going to be floods going on here? Are we going to evacuate at high ground? Oh no! They've been issued a hurricane warning. Hurricane conditions are expected in a short time. The National Weather Service has been issued a hurricane warning? That sounds terrible. Wait, what's their alert? Oh. It just stopped in a moment. It's not safe to go outside. But, seek shelter immediately. Oh no. Oh, we're in trouble with this region. I'm a shelter already. Let me stay at the shelter so I don't get blown away. Wait, why is there miles per hour winds going up? Wait, oh no! Let's look at the window. It's gonna get damaged. Oh no! Oh no! What's going on? Oh no, it's damaging. Wait, what's that? Wait, tropical storm? Wait, oh no, how come I'm an early tester? Oh no! Torch lights. I just want to be in the. Oh no! 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 Wait, if you walk like this, can I go in the circle? Oh no! The doorway! What? How come it's dying? If it's on 0 miles per hour winds, then it dies. Okay. Here it looks safe. Wait, oh, wait. E2 drive? What? Wait, I don't have an E2. Oh. I don't know what disaster. Wait, I have inverted controls at this car. Let's go to TV. Still hurricane warning, but everything's fine here. Wait, what? See you guys in the next game.